Once upon a time, in the sparkling kingdom of Moonlight Valley, there lived a kind and gentle fairy named Bala. She had a little daughter, Lyra, who was the light of her life. Lyra's laughter filled the valley with blossoms, and wherever she danced, flowers bloomed instantly. One day, while chasing a golden butterfly, Lyra wandered deep into the whispering woods. The woods were enchanted, filled with voices of old spirits and mysterious paths that led travelers astray. Lyra's tiny wings got tangled in a thorny bush, and she couldn't find her way back. When Bala discovered her daughter was missing, her heart broke. She flew across mountains, rivers, and forests, calling Lyra's name. The stars in the sky dimmed, and even the moon wept for Bala's sorrow. Finally, Bala's love guided her. She followed the faint glow of Lyra's magical laughter trapped inside a flower. With courage, she entered the darkest part of the woods and freed her daughter. The whole kingdom rejoiced